because he's a class down with that international. Really slow and steady is what this is about. And again, have a look at the wrinkle walls on those tires. He's got as little air pressure in there that he dared. The distance between the rim and the ground is a whole lot less than it is from the rim to the top of the tire on top. Digging down, that's all she wrote. They don't want them to dig down